Toyota Hybrid Battery Replacement. RAV4 Hybrid, up to $8,000. Prius, over $5,000. Camry Hybrid, anywhere from $3,000 to $5,500. Most owners find out they need one when the red triangle lights up on the dashboard. By then, it's too late to plan for it. But here's what Toyota doesn't tell you. There's a way to check your hybrid battery health at home. For free. No dealer, no diagnostic fee, no appointment. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how healthy your battery is, and whether you have 50,000 miles left or 5,000. Here's the short version right now before we go deep. Download the Dr. Prius app, free on iOS and Android. Pick up a Bluetooth OBD2 adapter, $30 to $50 on Amazon. Plug it into your OBD2 port under the dashboard. Open the app. Run the battery health test. It shows you the voltage of every single battery block inside your hybrid pack. Weak cells show up immediately. You'll know in under 5 minutes whether your battery is healthy or degrading. That's the whole method. Now let me show you exactly how to use it and what the numbers actually mean. Last year, a woman named Sandra drove her 2015 Camry Hybrid into a Toyota dealership in Atlanta for a routine oil change. She walked out with a $5,200 repair bill. Her hybrid battery had been degrading for over a year. MPG dropping slowly. Engine running a little longer than usual. She thought it was just age. It wasn't age. It was a warning, and nobody told her what to look for. Here's the thing about Toyota hybrid batteries. They don't fail suddenly. They degrade slowly over months, sometimes years, before they trigger a warning light. By the time that red triangle lights up on your dashboard, you're not getting a warning. You're getting a bill. Toyota's official hybrid battery warranty covers 10 years or 150,000 miles on 2020 and newer models, 8 years or 100,000 miles on older ones. But here's what that warranty doesn't cover: the slow degradation that happens before a fault code triggers. The battery that's running at 70% capacity, the one that's costing you $30 extra a month in fuel because it can't hold a proper charge. That's the gap, and it's the gap this video closes. The engineer who designed your battery, and the number he built it around. To understand how to check your hybrid battery health, you need to understand how Takeshi Uchiyamada designed it to work. Uchiyamada, the father of the Prius, built the original Toyota hybrid system around one core principle: never fully charge, never fully deplete. Toyota's hybrid battery is deliberately kept between roughly 40% and 80% state of charge. Always. The battery management system enforces this automatically. You can't override it. Why? Because lithium-ion and nickel metal hydride batteries degrade fastest at the extremes. Full charge, stress. Full depletion, stress. Middle range, longevity. That's why Toyota hybrid batteries regularly hit 200,000 miles. The engineering protects them from the two things that kill batteries fastest. But here's what the engineering can't protect against: individual cell failure. Your hybrid battery isn't one battery. It's a pack of individual modules, between 28 and 40 blocks depending on your model, each one doing its share of the work. When one block weakens, the others compensate. The car keeps running, the dashboard stays clean. But that weak block is dragging down the whole pack, reducing capacity, cutting range, killing fuel economy. That's what Sandra's car was doing for 14 months before the warning light came on. One weak block, dragging everything else down, silently. And here's where Toyota's warranty gap gets expensive. Toyota's hybrid battery warranty is genuinely good, one of the best in the industry. 2020 and newer, 10 years or 150,000 miles. Pre-2020, 8 years or 100,000 miles. The HV battery, battery control module, hybrid control module, and inverter, all covered. But the warranty only triggers when there's a fault code, a confirmed failure, a cell that's degraded past Toyota's threshold for what counts as broken. A battery running at 75% capacity? Not covered, not flagged, not your dealer's problem, but absolutely your fuel economy's problem, and eventually your wallet's problem. This is why monitoring your battery health yourself matters. Not to replace the warranty, to catch what the warranty doesn't flag before it becomes a $5,000 surprise. The tool Toyota technicians don't want you to know about. There's an app called Dr. Prius. also sold as Dr. Hybrid for non-Prius Toyota models. It was built by a hybrid specialist to do one thing: show you exactly what's happening inside your hybrid battery pack. Block by block, cell by cell. Toyota technicians use proprietary software called TechStream for the same purpose. TechStream costs $150 plus for the software alone. Dr. Prius costs $0 to download. The difference? TechStream gives you more data points. Dr. Prius gives you the most important ones: battery block voltages and internal resistance, for free. Here's what you need. 1. Download Dr. Prius or Dr. Hybrid from the App Store or Google Play. Free. 2. Buy a Bluetooth OBD2 adapter. The one I recommend is the V-Peak Mini, around $30 on Amazon. Plug it into your OBD2 port. On most Toyotas, that's under the dashboard on the driver's side, left of the steering column. 3. Start your car. Open the app. Connect to the OBD2 adapter via Bluetooth. 4. Run the battery health test. Quick pause. If this is saving you a potential $5,000 repair bill, hit the like. It genuinely helps this channel reach more hybrid owners who need it. Back to it. What the numbers actually mean. When Dr. Prius runs the test, you'll see a screen showing all your battery blocks. Typically 28 blocks on a Prius, 34 on a RAV4 hybrid, each one with a voltage reading. Here's how to read them. Healthy blocks. All readings within 0.1 to 0.2 volts of each other. Tight range. Consistent. Good. Early degradation. 1 or 2 blocks reading 0.3 to 0.5 volts lower than the rest. Your battery is starting to show age, but you have time. Significant degradation. 1 or more blocks reading 0.5 volts or more below the group. This is the block dragging your pack down. Fuel economy impact is real. Plan for service. Critical. A block reading 1 volt or more below the group, or showing high internal resistance. Your battery is failing. The warning light may be weeks away. The sweet spot for monitoring. Run this test every 3 to 6 months. Takes 5 minutes. Costs nothing after the initial OBD2 adapter purchase. And it tells you something no dashboard light ever will. Exactly how much life your battery has left. The 5 warning signs you shouldn't ignore. Before we get to what to do if you find a problem, here are the 5 warning signs that mean your battery is degrading right now. 1. MPG dropping without explanation. If your fuel economy has dropped 10 to 15% and nothing else has changed, tires, driving habits, weather, your battery is the first suspect. A degrading pack forces the gas engine to run more. 2. Engine running more at low speeds. Your hybrid should run on electric at speeds under 25 miles per hour. If you're hearing the gas engine kick in constantly on slow streets, your battery isn't holding enough charge to power the electric motor. 3. Erratic battery gauge. Parking with a full battery and starting the next morning with it half empty, or watching it drain faster than usual, is a classic sign of cell imbalance. 4. Unusual fan noise. Your hybrid battery has a cooling fan. If it's louder than normal, the battery is generating excess heat, which means it's working harder than it should. Heat accelerates degradation. 5. The red triangle. By the time this light appears on your Prius, Camry hybrid, or RAV4 hybrid, the system has logged a fault code. This is not a check soon warning. This is an act now warning. Get it diagnosed immediately. Real quick, if you want the full written version of this with the model-by-model OBD2 port locations, the exact Dr. Prius test steps with screenshots, and a guide to what to do if you find a weak block, I put a deeper article on toyotainsider.org. Links pinned in the description. Free, no sign-up. Back to it. What to do if you find a weak block. So you ran the test. You found a block reading 0.5 volts below the rest. Now what? 3 options, and the right one depends on your mileage, warranty status, and budget. Option 1. You're under warranty. 2020 or newer Toyota hybrid, under 150,000 miles and 10 years from purchase date? Go to the dealer. Get it documented. If the degradation triggers a fault code, covered. If it doesn't trigger a code yet, document the Dr. Prius readings yourself. Come back every 3 months. When it does trigger, you have a record. Option 2. You're out of warranty, high mileage. Two sub-options here. Refurbished battery, $1,500 to $3,500 installed. Companies like Green Bean Battery and Exclusively Hybrid specialize in Toyota hybrid packs and offer their own warranties. Module replacement. A specialist replaces only the weak blocks, not the whole pack. Cheaper, effective, but needs a qualified hybrid technician. Option 3. You're out of warranty, lower mileage. If your battery is showing early degradation but you're only at 80,000 miles, don't panic. Monitor every 3 months. A battery showing early degradation at 80,000 can still have 60,000 plus miles left with no intervention. The key is knowing, not guessing. The model-by-model breakdown, what to expect from your specific Toyota. Every Toyota hybrid is a little different. Here's what to expect from yours. 2010 to 2015 Prius Gen 3. Nickel metal hydride battery, 28 modules. Proven longevity. Many hitting 200,000 plus miles on original battery. Monitor from 100,000 miles onwards. 2016 to 2022 Prius Gen 4. Nickel metal hydride, improved thermal management. Similar longevity to Gen 3, same monitoring schedule. 2012 to 2017 Camry hybrid. Nickel metal hydride, 34 modules. Known to run well past 150,000 miles with proper maintenance. Start monitoring at 90,000 miles. 2018 to 2024 Camry hybrid. Lithium-ion battery on some trims, nickel metal hydride on others depending on year. Check your owner's manual. Lithium-ion versions run cooler, but require slightly different monitoring. 2019 to 2024 RAV4 hybrid. Nickel metal hydride, larger pack than Camry, designed for higher load. Most owners reporting strong battery health past 100,000 miles. Start monitoring at 80,000 miles given higher daily energy demand. 2021 to 2024 Venza hybrid. Same platform as RAV4 hybrid. Same monitoring schedule applies. 3 key insights. 3 things to remember from this video. Number 1. Your hybrid battery gives you months of warning before it fails, if you know what to look for. The 5 warning signs and the Dr. Prius test exist so you catch it early, not after the red triangle lights up. Number 2. The free check takes 5 minutes and a $30 adapter. There is no reason every Toyota hybrid owner shouldn't know their battery block voltages. This is the single most important number on a high-mileage hybrid. More important than oil life, more important than tire pressure. Number 3. Toyota's warranty is strong, but it only catches confirmed failures. Everything before the fault code, the slow degradation, the fuel economy loss, the weak block dragging the pack, that's yours to monitor. Now you know how. Here's my question for you. Have you ever checked your hybrid battery health? Or have you been trusting the dashboard to tell you when something's wrong? Drop it below. And if you know your mileage, drop that too. I want to know how many people are driving past 100,000 miles on an unchecked battery. If this saved you a potential $5,000 repair bill, hit subscribe. Next video, we're going into the 5 oils that are quietly destroying Toyota engines. The ones that pass the visual check but are chemically wrong for your specific engine. That one drops next Saturday. Hit the bell. I'm Toyota Insider. See you Tuesday.